Hello guys, I welcome you in my new video. My name is Ajay. So it is 1st July of 2026 and in the day the in this day it was raining heavily in Kapkot sides. So because of the rain the level of river of Saryu is because of the water the level of Saryu river has increased a lot of in just one day. So I am going to see the river and also I will see you that how much it has increased in just one day, in just one night. Guys, in Sari river the quantity of water has increased a lot of in just one night. So I made a promise to all of you that I have to see you the level of water. So that's why I came here and I'm seeing you everything from here. Also, not Saryu but the Gomti river has also increased in just one night because in uh, Garud side and in Kapkot side it may be raining heavily. I think so. That's why. That's guys. Right now I'm in Bagnath. So as I made a promise that I have to cover everything from here. So last night there was a last night it was raining heavily in Bageshwar, and because of the rain you can see that the level of water has increased a lot of in just one day. Also the statue of Lord Shiva, Lord Shivji has covered a little bit because day before yesterday I think I came here and I made a video from front of the Lord Shivji temple. Also I captured some photos. But now I can't go there because there is I think I just want to tell you another thing that is there is a famous person of Bageshwar. He makes different kind of videos. His content related to cinematic types. So he name it Rohit Bhaiya. So first if you are comfortable in it then you can अपना हिंदी में start करेंगे आप. So okay. Just at the line. So he first I will give you a little bit introduction of his. His name is Rohit. He makes a cinematic type of videos. So today he messaged me. He said that we can meet. I said that yes we can meet. He said that I am liking your content and your content is too good and we can meet. So I said that yes we can meet. So now he is going to tell everything about himself. Let's go.
So hi everyone, I'm Rohit and I saw Vijay's content on Instagram. I was scrolling through my Instagram and then I saw his page. So he is making vlogs in English and he is right now in Bageshwar. And when I saw his content, so I was very fascinated to meet him in person. So that's why I texted him on Insta. I said that if he is free, so I can meet him in person and we can share our ideas related to our content and many more things. And as I watched his content, I thought it is good for him just because he's making vlogs in English right now in Bageshwar. No one else is making content in English rather than him. So that's why it's very good for him. And if you are watching him from anywhere from Uttarakhand or from other states, or if you are from Bageshwar, I will request you to please support him and show some love to him, and so that his confidence will boost. So that's all.
Also, I just want to tell you another thing about him that he's also content creator. He's the one of the best content creator in Bageshwar. He makes a cinematic type of videos. I never saw this kind of videos in Bageshwar. He's the only one person who made this kind of. Because I think that we both are different person. I create English content, he creates cinematic. And in future, if he will be successful, then people will chase us, people will follow us. I think that that's a good. So, and do you want to share your experience of making the cinematic kind of videos? How did you get the idea that I have to make cinematic kind of videos?
So firstly, thank you so much for all the things you have said. But right now, I don't think that I am the best cinematographer in Bageshwar. There are lots of people who are making content better than me. So right now, I am in learning phase, and I try to become more good in cinematic videos. So calling me a pro is not something good, which I feel personally. But you can say that I'm in my learner phase. So I think I have to learn many more things to be a professional cinematographer. And if I tell you about myself, so previously I was doing wedding shoots, so I was learning wedding cinematography. And after that, one day I randomly thought that this is not the thing I want to do, or this is not the thing I can pursue forward in future. So that's why a random idea in my mind pop up, and I thought let's do something. So then I started making content. I love to talk with random people, and I love to share experiences about their life. So that's how it all started.
Okay, like in future, a person is started, a person has decided to make content. So would you like to give them as a tips that if you will follow this and then they can successful, they can get success easily. Yeah, if a learner or beginner who wants to start content creation, should they come in the field of creating content, and they should instead of focusing on content, they should focus on study.
So right now, I don't think that I have this much experience to tell someone that he or she should start content creation. Although I think that if you see from my perspective, I always wanted to do something like this, what I'm doing right now. So it depends on the person, that what kind of person he or she is, or what kind of things he want to do. A person can do anything which they want to do, or I don't think so that I'm someone who can tell anyone to do something like this or like that. So it depends on them, that what kind of content or what kind of life they want. So I don't have any opinion on that.
Okay, I think brother is saying to me that in future we can make video together. I think we can work on a big project, and the project can be fascinating, and the project can be influenced by lots of content creator of Pakistan as well as Uttarakhand and India. So, do you have any kind of idea about that in future? What kind of things we will make if you want to
So
make video with me?
so as I told you before that I'm a learner cinematographer. So uh, I shoot videos of a person, of a subject, of a place. So I don't have any script right now that what kind of shoot we will do in future, but roughly I think that it can be anything. So like I can shoot you as my subject. So it it depends that what kind of mood as I am in. So I can't predict what's going on in future. So let it be. Let's go with the flow.
Okay, so I am eagerly waiting for your videos. When will you take me as a subject in my video, in your video? So let's end the video.